Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use switch statement. First, let's remove this. Then type on top is p id test, then close tag p. Then type switch new date dot get day, then case 0 day equals, then break those. Next, copy this and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remove the last break. Then type D here is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Next, save it. Next is document that get element by id test that inner html equals today is day. Save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. Today is Wednesday. That's it. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.